Hello, my name is Ira. I'm a hairstylist from Kiev. In this video, I'll show you how to make beautiful braids with the help of Cliphair extensions. I used the Cliphair extensions of chest brown shade number 6. First, I fix hair extensions and then make texture waves. Now I use my curling tongs GHD. Do not forget to fix every curl with the help of hairspray. After we curled all the hair, we have to make 2 low ponytails. Do not forget to hide the rubber bands with hair. So that we need to do a noose with the help of hairpins. Do the same way with the second ponytail. Actually, the hairstyle is ready. Anyway, we continue. Make one more ponytail a little lower than the last one. And let's make it all more voluminous. And of course, hide the rubber band with the help of hairpin. Do the same twice or 3 times. Everything depends on the length of your hair. Look closer the way I do it. After you watch the video, please do not forget to leave your comment. So my bubble braids are ready. Fix it all with a hairspray. I will love this hairstyle. I hope you liked it as well. Well, see you soon. Bye.